Dylan over here with Carlos Classic Cars. We're out here with our 1972 Roadrunner. Just going to go over a couple quick things with this car. First of all, we can start with the paint. It's got a beautiful orange flake. I would say it's probably some sort of house of color, but it's got a beautiful metallic in it if you look at it close in the sun. All the chrome work is beautiful on the car. They went to the extent of putting the Goodyear polycast tires on. Went through, you got all the operational air grabber. Got your Roadrunner symbols all over. They're very important. You come through, this is one of few that have the sunroof. Come in with the interior here. They did an amazing job on this. Just going through. Got your big high shifter. Nice black leather interior. Everything is super clean. All the moldings, all the rubber. They did a really nice job on this car with bringing it back to its originality. Coming in through, you got your stripes. Coming through on the car. All your chrome work is very nice on the car. The undercarriage on this car is beautiful also. Going through, if you come into the engine bay, what's really nice about this car is they brought it back to a lot of originality with all of the Mopar hoses, vacuum lines, and everything, as you could see. I mean, they went to the extent of putting new washer bottles in. I mean, everything is new. Down to the horn here. But I mean, went to the far extent of all the new clips. Everything you see is new. The air grabber, all the electronics. I mean, everything. They really did a nice job on this car. All the moldings, you can see where all the door lines are, hood lines, everything on the car lines up really good. All the doors shut, really nice. Sunroof is fully functional. We're going to take the Roadrunner out here for a ride today. Just kind of go through everything, show you everything, how the car, well the car drives, goes through gears, and just how well it cruises down the road. Car goes through all the gears smooth, drives straight down the road, no vibrations or anything like that. Air grabber works, it's open now. Shut it down with the vacuum, open it back up. Car has great street manners, drives really smooth. Speedometer works, over gauges and everything. Car drives really smooth. Everything's at temperature. Cruise down the road. Car is very tight. Probably pretty good. I mean,